In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email composing format in Outlook. If you want your emails to appear a certain way when you write them, Outlook gives you a simple setting to control that. This is useful because the composing format affects how your message looks to the person receiving it and how much formatting you can use while writing. For example, HTML lets you include richer formatting like bold text, lists, colors, and spacing, while plain text keeps everything very simple and clean. Knowing where to change this setting can help you match the format to your needs. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're on the main screen. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of the window and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Outlook stores many of the options related to how your account and messages behave. After the Settings panel opens, click Mail. This section includes the options that control how your emails are written, sent, and displayed. From there, find and click Compose and Reply. That's the area where Outlook lets you customize the way new messages and replies are created. Once you're in Compose and Reply, scroll down until you reach the Message Format section. Take your time here, because depending on the version of Outlook you're using, this area may be a little farther down the page. Under Message Format, select HTML or plain text, depending on what you want. If you choose HTML, you'll have access to more formatting tools, and your emails can look more polished and visually structured. If you choose plain text, your messages will be more basic, with no advanced styling, which can be helpful for simple communication or for compatibility with certain systems. After choosing the format you want, click Save to apply the change. That's it. From now on, Outlook will use your selected format when you compose messages. As a quick tip, if your emails need branding, special spacing, or a more professional layout, HTML is usually the better choice. If you want a minimal style with no extra formatting, plain text may be the better option. If the setting doesn't seem to update right away, try closing the Settings panel and opening a new message to confirm the change. That's how to change the email composing format in Outlook.